Most people don't have a portfolio website, and it's not like they can't build one themselves. The problem is that they feel building a portfolio website is very difficult. In these tutorials, I'll be teaching you how you can build a simple, clean, and professional portfolio website within just minutes using AI. So let's go. Now, the things we'll be needing for this tutorial are my already generated prompt and the Dallas Studio. Now, this is the landing page of the Dallas Studio, and as you can see, there is a space, an input box here for us to enter our prompt. So all I have to do is to make sure that we have this build app and website selected, and then I'll just click here and I'll paste my already generated prompt. Now, this is my already generated prompt, and the prompt contains a clear description of what I want my website to look like. Now, after pasting the prompt, what I'm going to do will be to click the build button and wait for Dallas Studio to do the magic. So it's building. Let's wait. Now, as you can see, our site has been fully built. So let's launch it and see what it looks like. Now, this is a clear view of what our website looked like. You can see we didn't have to write a single line of code. So let's check our navigation bar. The About section is working. Service 2 is working. Case study is working. Contact is working. So now we can scroll, right? And as you can see, the website is looking very clean. Very clean and modern. Now, if you're interested in learning how you can curate a prompt that will give you a very good result, and also how you can connect this very landing page, or this portfolio website rather, to a database, feel free to stick to my channel. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.